Today is day 14 of the farmers' agitation in the national capital. This comes a day after farmer union leaders met with the Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday. Post the meeting, farmer leaders said that the government would give a draft to the farm leaders today, which would be discussed by the rest of the group, adding that the protests will continue for now.
वही चर्चाएं होती रही जो पिछली 5 मीटिंग में हुई है। उनका प्रपोजल यही है कि इसमें जो सुधार चाहते हैं हम करने को तैयार हैं।
सर, अलग-अलग मुद्दों अलग-अलग लोग आए थे या मतलब एक ही साथ सबके सारे किसानों की मीटिंग हुई?
नहीं, हम 13 लोग थे।
सारे
हाँ, केवल 13 लोग जो कोर कमेटी का है। ठीक है।
Well, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Nalini. Well, today is day 14 of farmers' protest, but what's more crucial is that yesterday we had seen an inconclusive meet between Union Minister Amit Shah and the farmers, as well as the Bharat Bandh. Take us through some of the ground reactions that you are getting from where you're reporting.
Well, we're reporting from NH28 right now, which is the Delhi-Ghaziabad border, where there are several farmers that have come from the neighboring states that are holding protests right now. And although it's still early in the morning and although the weather is quite harsh, but despite that, the farmers are conducting the protest over here and they remain undeterred as they have been for the past 14 days. But the main thing to watch out for today is at 12 p.m. when there is going to be a meeting at the Singhu border of the farmer leaders to discuss the proposals that will be sent by the government. Now, of course, the meeting yesterday with the Home Minister remained unconclusive of the 8 farmer leaders. But at the same time, the government has told the farmer leaders that they will be sending the proposals of the amendments that they are willing to make to these 3 farm bills. And then the farmer leaders are now today at the Singhu border at 12 p.m. going to be discussing as to whether or not those amendments are going to be acceptable to them or not. The government's made one thing very, very clear through the Home Minister, that there is going to be no question of repealing the laws altogether. It is not as simple as yes or no, but a few amendments can be discussed, which is why there were talks that were specifically held yesterday, one day ahead of the official meeting that was supposed to be held today. So today there's going to be no official meeting between the government and the farmers, but there will be a meeting at Singhu border at 12 p.m. where all the farmer leaders are going to come forth and discuss exactly what needs to happen regarding these amendments and as to whether or not these amendments that have been proposed by the government are acceptable to the farmers or not. It remains to be seen what happens in that meeting, but at the same time, all the official talks between the farmer leaders and the government for today have been called off, and it remains to be seen what the farmer leaders decide at the noon meeting that is kept at the Singhu border later today.
Right, just taking a cue from what you said, that the official talks have been cancelled, that the 6th round of talks have been cancelled between the farmers and the centre, and talks will happen at the Singhu border. Also, we're getting these visuals coming on our screens of the amount of people that have protested, and you can see the large number of crowd at the border right now in Tikri and Delhi in the past few days. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast.